Hey, this is Tim. Today we got an 09. What is this? Jeep Wrangler, I believe. Customer complaint, no AC. Oh. All right. Woo. Well, we can see that the car makes a difference whenever you hit the AC button. So whenever you hear that, if the car makes a difference or the fan comes on or anything like that, it means it's energized and it's getting power to it. So therefore, if the fan is working, it means it's getting power going to it. You see the compressor's on and it's cycling. It's probably low on Freon, so I'm gonna put a little dye in it. Go around and check it for leaks. So we know the compressor works. It did cycle for a minute. There it goes again. Well, that's a good sign. At least it ain't the compressor. So let's put my gauges on it, put some dye in it. Okay, I'm going to shoot the dye with my dye gun. See if I can set you up where you can see it. I don't know why they put this stupid shredder all the way over here like that. It's crazy. Gauges up to it, see what's going on. Alright, I narrowed it down to the PCM. Let me show you something here. If you got the AC on, when you first crank it, compressor on once. You want to see the funny part? Watch this part. If I turn it off, see? Watch, I'll turn it off. And it cuts on another 5 seconds. And this right here is what I usually always find out about PCMs on a Jeep. Watch this. There you go. Yep, that's when you know you got a bad PCM board. Knock on it a few times. Car dies, replace it. Well, let me get the number off this old one. I'm on it, and then I'll might show be putting a new one in. See what the customer wants. All right, We're back with the 09 Jeep Wrangler. Go ahead and undo the negative side here. Get out of the way. Gonna keep it right there. And finally got the PCM. Had it programmed and everything right there. So we'll be replacing that. Of course, you got two 8mm on the one right here. Of course, you take your red clips, push them back, and then just push these down and take those off. And you got another 8mm right there. I'm gonna be taking that off. Color coded, so you can't really screw it up. See, even the one of the programs color coded, so kind of dummy proof. So you'll be taking off, move all this out of your way, get you an 8mm right here. And of course we'll have another one over here. That's pretty much it, taken out. And I'll be putting a new one in. Let's see if this AC works right on this one. Push your red clips back in. Just push them forward. Alright, AC working right now. See what she's blowing in here. Alright, this one's got a few other problems I'll be looking at, but as far as the PCM, this is it. So thanks for watching. Yeah, come on. Remember, if you ain't testing, you're guessing. Thanks for watching.